Good morning and welcome to another episode of Gardener Gone Wild. Now, Mr. Duck is just meeting his big babies. Look at that, he's all excited. Oh my goodness, who's that? Who's that? Oh my gosh. He is very, very excited. Evie's quite happy about it too.
No, nature's wonders.
Oh God, he's a randy duck.
Yes.
I think he's more interested in Evie than the ducklings and his offspring.
Hey. What's happening?
You can see one in there. Oh, is he going to be a wuss? He's a wuss. He wants to go back to his lair. He's a tragic ducky.
Hey, come on. Let me open the gate.
He doesn't like change. He doesn't like not being home. Look at him go.
No, not after the chickens. No, no chickens. Chickens are bad for you.
You silly creature. Hey? Oh, you got to meet your babies even though you're only interested in doing nature's wonders with Evie. You. No more ducklings. No more ducklings for you.
No more chickens either.
Hey? No more ducklings.
I think 13's enough.
13 is more than enough for us. Hey. Hey, you little monster. You incredibly funny wee man. Oh, well, that's it for this episode of Gardener Gone Wild. So,
Please remember to like, subscribe, and pick up big ducks when you can. Other than that, thank you for watching and see you next time on Gardener Going Wild, the only channel with a Mr. Big Duck and a rawr of an ending.
hello Miss Addie. How are you, darling? Hey? Hanging out with the chickens. I think Addie needed a break from Mr. Big Duck.
Yes, definitely.
Didn't you, darling?
Big Duck, is that all you want to do?
And it's raining. Oh, it is raining lots.
Just as well I didn't go out today.
Hey? Ducks don't mind, do they? Ducks don't mind. Under you go.